The PO and put-away processes are essential components of inventory management in a retail warehouse. Upon receiving the goods, they are scanned to match the details specified in the PO. The put-away process involves storing the received goods in the appropriate location within the warehouse. The products are placed in their locations. The inventory management system is updated to reflect the new quantities. The pick and pack process involves selecting items from inventory and then packing them for delivery. When the returned item arrives at the warehouse, it is checked in real time for reason of return.